Okay, welcome back mga Gemini. This is our general reading for all signs. So, any signs will do. Pwede kayo makaresonate, pwede rin namang hindi because this is only a timeless message, a timeless reading. So, tignan natin anong mapipick natin sa ating spirit guides, anong message para sa inyo. Okay. May mga nakikita ako sa inyo dito. Currently, specifically in a relationship at gusto niyo pa tong ilaban. It could be possible na nag-undergo kayo sa isang case, nagpa-file kayo ng divorce, any kind of separation man ito, pero I can still see here na inilalaban nyo pa rin ito. Yung iba sa inyo may mga third party involvement, that's why nangyari itong bagay na to. Yung iba naman talagang hindi kasal pero may mga third party involvement yan at the same time. Nakikita ko rin dito na yung iba sa inyo na until up to now nag-hope at nag-expect pa rin na mag-work ang inyong relationship ng person ninyo. Ex man ito or recent ex or past or current person. Believe it or not, darling, there is one specific reason kung bakit hindi na kayo nag-work ng taong to. It's because hindi siya ang destined person for you. Besides, nakikita ko rin dito na ang daming tinatago ng taong to sa'yo, darling. Marami siyang hindi sinasabi sa'yo. Meron talagang third party involvement dito. And it seems like yun yung pinipili na person mo over to you. It happens for a reason. For one reason. Para magising na kayo at may himasmasan ka na sa katotohanan, sa realidad, na hindi na mag-work out itong relationship ninyo rito. So this is all about love. Now you have to learn to let go. You have to learn to say goodbye. You have to learn to say no and to say yes to some of you. Alin man doon yung dapat ninyong sabihin. This is all about the relationship. I know to some of you, binibigyan nyo kasi ng sentimental value yung pinagsamahan, pinagdaanan ninyo. But the energy is currently telling to me na it's time to let go because it's no longer serving your needs, your want. And hindi na rin naman kayo totally mag-work because you're not in destined or you're not in the same path anymore. Panahon na para bitawan yung mga bagay na dapat bitawan at matagal lang binitawan at i-let go. Yung mga bagay na dapat matagal lang i-let go. The energy is also trying to tell to me here na kailangan nyo nang i-open ang inyong mga mata, ang inyong mga sarili sa kung ano man currently nangyayari sa inyong reality. At huwag na kayo mamuhay sa inyong fantasy. Do what is right. There is a lot of signs out there mga Gemini na alam nyo na sa sarili nyo hindi na nag-work at hindi na tama but still then pinipilit nyo pa rin. The energy is currently telling to me here na there is more news to come, there is more secrets to come, marami pa kayo matutuklasan sa sarili ninyo, sa person ninyo, or sa situation ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo rito nag-hold back sa kung ano man yung mga meron kayo from the past. You're still holding back, holding on to those good stuff, memories you've been with this person. But honestly, hindi na siya nag-valid or hindi na siya counted, hindi na siya worth it. Kung ganito lang din naman yung ginagawa ng person ninyo as of the moment. Panahon na para mag-move forward kayo without them, without this person. Panahon na para mag-move forward kayo on your own. And it's time na for you or to some of you to fulfill your goals, other duties and responsibilities in life. It's time na for you to be flexible and of course, to try something new. Maraming opportunity nag-iintay sa inyo. Career man yan or love. So that is the message for you for today mga Gemini. Take only what resonates with you and leave the rest. If not, don't forget to react, comment, and share this video to others. Baka mag-resonate sa kanila. Remember, this is a timeless message only. Thank you so much and God bless you all.